Hey there, Creative Sarah, and I have another Dollar Tree DIY for you. Today we're going to use the Eek and Boo that I found at my local Dollar Tree for $1.25 each. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and paint the front of these with some black. Very simple, easy to do. When you get that done, make sure it's dry, and then we are going to put these onto a cool spinner frame. So I did remove, there was a little little hanger on top, and I just kind of cut that off. It was jute. I put a couple bows on the words to make it a little bit cuter. And by the way, if you like this type of video and you want to see more, go ahead and comment the word VIP. I'll send you a message with a link where you can join my free DIY and crafting group. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. Okay, so here I just glued it onto this fun spinner board, which did not come from Dollar Tree, but that's okay. And this ribbon did. So, and these florals did. So all of this stuff came from Dollar Tree except for that spinner board. I just went ahead and glued some kind of at the top and then put the ribbon up there. I made like a little bow. Very simple, and hot glued it all together, you guys. It turned out so great. Boo and Eek. And look at how it spins. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and follow for more decor.